Swedish flag history. The flag of Sweden, also known as the Sveriges flagga or Swedish flag, is a simple and iconic design that dates back several centuries. The current design of the flag was officially adopted in 1906, but the basic design elements can be traced back to the 16th century. The flag features a bright blue background with a yellow cross that extends to the edges of the flag. The origin of the design is not entirely clear, but it is believed to be based on the coat of arms of the Swedish royal family, which features a yellow cross on a blue background. Over time, this design came to be associated with the Swedish people and was used as a symbol of national identity and pride. The Swedish flag has been used in various forms since the 16th century, but it was not until 1906 that the design was standardized and officially recognized as the national flag of Sweden. Since then, the flag has been an important symbol of Swedish identity and is flown on many national holidays and events. In addition to its use as a national flag, the Swedish flag is also used to represent Sweden at international events, such as the Olympic Games and the United Nations. The simple and bold design of the flag reflects Sweden's tradition of minimalist design and modernity, which is celebrated around the world. The Swedish flag, also known as the Sveriges flagga or Swedish banner, has a long and interesting history that reflects the country's culture and traditions. Here are 10 of the best things that make up its story. The Swedish flag is a simple design, featuring a blue field with a yellow cross, extending to the edges of the flag. The colors and design have. The current design of the Swedish flag was adopted in 1906, but it has been used in various forms since the 16th century. The colors of the flag are thought to represent various values and ideals, with blue symbolizing loyalty, truth, and justice, and yellow representing generosity and nobility. The Swedish flag has a long history, dating back to the 16th century when it was used by the Swedish military. The flag has been flown in many significant historical events, including the Swedish wars of the 17th and 18th centuries, and the country's role in World War II. The flag is a powerful symbol of Swedish identity and patriotism, and is widely recognized and respected. The Swedish flag has been the subject of controversy and debate, particularly in relation to its use by neo-Nazi groups and other far-right organizations. Despite these controversies, the Swedish flag remains an important and enduring symbol of Sweden and its people, and is a source of pride for many Swedes. The Swedish flag is also a reminder of the country's long and rich history, which has seen it emerge as one of the world's most prosperous and innovative nations, with a culture that continues to influence people around the globe. The Swedish flag is also a symbol of the country's commitment to peace and diplomacy, with Sweden playing an important role in promoting peace and human rights around the world.